Requesting access to protected resources. Provide a purpose string that explains to a person why you need access to protected resources on their device. Overview. Modern devices collect and store a wealth of sensitive information about people who use them. Many apps rely on this kind of data and the device hardware that generates it to do useful work. For example, a navigation app needs a person's GPS coordinates to locate the person on a map. But not all apps need access to all data. The same navigation app doesn't need access to a person's health history, camera interface, or Bluetooth peripherals. Ensure your app accesses only what it needs to do its job. To support this principle, Apple's operating system restricts access to protected data and resources by default. Apps can request access on a case-by-case basis, providing an explanation of why they need access. The person who uses the app decides whether to grant or deny the request. Tip: in addition to asking such people for permission to access the resource, in some cases you also need to separately declare your intent to do so by adding an entitlement to your app as described in entitlements. Provide the purpose string. The first time your app attempts to access a protected resource, the system prompts the person using the app for permission. In the following example, an iOS app called Food Delivery app, which provides the food delivery service, generates a prompt requesting access to the person's location. Allow food delivery app to use your location. Your location allows you to view restaurants and delivery range of your address. Precise on. Allow once, allow while using app, don't allow. If the person grants permission, the system remembers the person's choice and doesn't prompt again. If the person denies permission, the access attempt that initiates the prompt and any further attempts fail in a resource-specific way. For the particular case of access to location data, the person can choose to allow access for one session only by tapping allow once. The system automatically generates the prompt's title, which includes the name of your app. You supply a message called a purpose string or user's description. In this case, your location allows you to view restaurants and delivery range of your address. To indicate the reason that your app needs the access, accurately and concisely. Explaining to the person why your app needs access to sensitive data. Typically in one complete sentence, lets the person make an informed decision and improves the chances that they grant access. You provide a purpose string by setting a string value for a resource specific key that you add to your app's information property list file. The message in the image above, for example, is a string associated with the NS location when in usage description key. Modify your info.list file using the property list editor in Xcode. Always provide a valid purpose string in the info.list file if your app uses a protected resource. If you don't, attempts to access the resource fail and might even cause your app to crash.